guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be processing some almond flour. I'm first getting my dehydrator set up. It came with this like flat tray, that way the flour won't fall through the cracks. And I had just made some almond milk, and I just used whole almonds, and I didn't remove the skin. But if you want like more of that finer flat, like just pure white type flour, you can definitely blanch your almonds to remove the skin. I just left the skin on. And so after my almond milk is all finished, I am just adding the pulp from the almonds onto this dehydrator, and I'm just kind of breaking it up. I don't want any huge chunks, just to make sure it gets nice and dehydrated, and just spreading it all around. This is 1 cup of almonds, just as reference. And now I'm going to just put my cover on. I find that 115 degrees Fahrenheit or 46 degrees Celsius is a good temperature for me, and I just left it on overnight, probably a minimum of 8 hours, and you can just check it to make sure it's all dry and leave it in longer if you'd like. And so this is how it looks after dehydrating all night. It'll be very crumbly and dry. And so now what I'll do is I'm actually going to transfer it into a blender. You can also just use like a food processor, that would work just fine as well. And I just have a larger food processor, so I thought this would look a little bit better. And so I'm just transferring it all into my blender cup. I will say I do wish there was kind of an easier process to get this transferred without it falling, but I just find just working little by little does the trick, even though it might be a little messy. And so now I'm just going to blend that just in my magic bullet here, and I just kind of like to do a few pulses because I don't want it to be like a complete powder. I don't mind a little bit of coarseness in there, so I give it about 3 to 4 pulses and then kind of look at it, check it, stir it up, and that's about it. And you get this nice beautiful almond flour that you can use in different recipes. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next week.